are at Horton Falls. It's supposed to be a nice little beautiful series of waterfalls here. Let's go have a look. Let's go!
Down the stairs we go, down the hill we go, down, down, down.
Found some of the falls here. Looks like it goes all the way down.
So now we're going to see if we can get to the bottom.
So I just finished here at the main falls. Where do you want to go now?
Let's go downstairs.
Now we got to find the safe path down to there. We'll build a little cabin. No, I want it there. And that concludes our little journey to Horton Falls today. Very easy walk to get to the first falls that we're at. Where we are now is a little bit more challenging, so just be careful if you try to come down this far. But the view is amazing.
Oh, it's
worth
lovely. It's cold right now, so we're going to go back home. Woo!
See you later, guys. Excited?
Yeah. Some of those rocks and snags. It's a snag.
I got stung by something.
Yeah.
And that concludes our little, where are we? Horton.